How to add a menu to your WordPress site. There are two ways to go about this. The first method is you come down to appearance, then you come down to menu. Then when you come down to menu, the first thing you have to do, so this is more like the OG method of adding a menu. So first you need to name your menu. So I'm going to call this main menu. You can call it primary menu, whatever menu you want to, or let's, for better sake, let's call this header menu. Then you can click on primary. So this is primary menu, meaning it's going to be on the header. If you want it to be on the footer, you can put it on the footer, but this is a primary header. So once you click on header, you click on create. So once it's created, you can come down here to add any kind of menu you want to add. So add to menu. So I'm going to click on add. So as you can see, there's only one page on this website, so I'm only going to add that simple page, and I'm going to click on add to menu. As you can see here, it has already added to menu. Then you can click on save menu. So the second part is my favorite menu. If you want to add more menu to this, you have to come to pages, add more pages in order for you to add menu through this method. The second method, we have to visit the home page, click on customizer, come down to menus. As you can see, I have a menu here. If I want to create a new menu, I can click on this, then I can call this footer. So this is my footer here. Then I can label it footer, and I click on next, and automatically it has created. But remember to always publish. So now if I come back here, I can see my header and see my footer. So if I come back down to my header and I don't need to go to my page here to click on adding page, I can simply come down here and I can just add pages. So for example, I can add portfolio page without even coming to create a page here, but automatically they would appear here. So I can add portfolio, I can add contact us, about us, and so on and so forth. Don't always forget to publish. So now you can see that my menus are here, and if I refresh on my pages, they are also here. All I just need to do is edit and start building. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.